Hey guys, I'm Paul from Contract Renovation, the Custom Homes, and the host of The Art of Renovation. Today I want to talk to you about minimalist range hood design. So often people want these big fancy range hoods that become the feature in their kitchen. In this instance, we have a very nice, elegant design where the range hood is built in to the millwork. It showcases the beautiful color of this cabinetry and becomes something that really just serves its purpose of enclosing the range fan itself. So when you're considering your kitchen design, I would say give this some thought. I think it's a really smart way to do it. If you have a smaller space, it's a great way to help make everything feel streamlined. If you want to hand planning your kitchen renovation, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can leave your questions in the comments below. I'm Paul from The Art of Renovation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.